Hi guys, welcome back on TechEd. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to copy Discord profile link on mobile. First of all, you can open the Discord application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the U icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on settings at the top right corner of the screen, and after this you can just simply scroll down, tap on advanced, and make sure that you enable the developer mode. And after enabling this, you can just simply go back and you can go to the home again, and here you can just simply select your chat, and after selecting your chat you can just simply tap on the profile icon of your chat, and after this you can now tap on the three dots at the top right of the profile, and after this you can just simply copy user id, and here you can now just open the notes app, and after opening the notes app you can just simply write this line discordapp.com/users/ and after this you can paste the user id, and it is a way you can create a profile link on Discord mobile, and after this you can share your profile id with others to add on your Discord. And if you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes the browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.